Meet Label Studio, the most complete label builder. Build directly inside Odoo. Create unlimited label templates. Define your exact width, height, and format. Millimeter perfect every single time. Here we have our sections list. Every section builds one part of your label. Notice the highlight functionality, instantly see exactly which section you are working on. Click the arrow to open the full section details. Now, let's change the horizontal alignment. And just like that, your label updates instantly. Pixel perfect. Every single time. Also, you can zoom in and zoom out on your label anytime you want. Label Studio comes with 6 powerful barcode types. Code 128. Code 39. EN 13. EN 8. UPCA. ITF. Plus full QR code support. Every barcode generated automatically inside Label Studio. Just select your barcode type, and Label Studio does the rest. Label Studio connects directly with your Odoo product variants. Product name, product image, attributes, etc. Everything flows into your label automatically. Always live, always accurate. Zero manual entry. Zero copy pasting. Open any section and you can change what data appears. Watch this. Instead of showing the product name, we switch it to show the company name and your label updates instantly. The possibilities are endless. Print in 2 up, 3 up, or 4 up layouts. And when you are ready to print, simply select all your product variants, or just the specific ones you want to print for. Hit print, and Label Studio generates a complete PDF with every selected variant, each one with its own label, its own barcode, its own product data, all in one click. And here it is, your pixel perfect PDF, every label exactly as you designed it, crisp, clean, and ready to print. Now before you print, one important step, open your printer settings and set your paper width and height to match your label dimensions. In our case, we are printing 2 up, so our total width is 93 mm. Match your printer configuration to your label size, and every single label will print exactly as you see it on your screen. Pixel perfect, every single time. And before we go, here is a shipping label, built with Label Studio. Here is the pixel perfect PDF. Here is a product label, built with Label Studio. Every single one built from scratch inside Odoo. One module, infinite possibilities. Your labels, your way every time. What if we wanted to move the attribute section to the top and the product name to the bottom? You don't need to delete or recreate anything. Simply drag and drop the sections into place, and the new order is applied instantly, making it quick and easy to organize your layout. As you can see, the layout is clean and precise, and the QR code is fully scannable. With our module, you can create high-quality PDFs with labels, barcodes, or QR codes, all ready to use without any extra editing. Label Studio is live on the Odoo store. Here you can see the version that's currently available. Along with a detailed description of all its features. You can also click the video tutorial button to watch a step-by-step guide on YouTube and learn how to build labels effortlessly. Check out the preview images to see the module in action. If you have any questions, need support, or require customization, you can contact us at the email listed here.